I will obedient this truly this obey of unfaithful public of consensus or senseless. I will say, ewe Mungu unisalimie.
This is Honorable Oscar SUDI, the Member of Parliament of Kapsaret, a man of controversy, a man of few words at least when it comes to Parliament. In 2024, a report by Mzalendo revealed that 19 members of Parliament had not spoken in Parliament, among them Oscar SUDI. No bills debated, no policies pushed, no representation for the people of Kapsaret. His silence in Parliament isn't the only thing raising eyebrows. His academic qualifications have been a subject of debate. IQ might be important, but so is participation in Parliament. A member of Parliament job isn't just to hold rallies and making fairy speeches outside Parliament. They are elected to contribute to laws, debate policies, and represent their constituents. Silence in Parliament means the voices of the people remain unheard. Yet outside Parliament, SUDI has never shielded away from speaking. He is often one of the President William Ruto's most vocal defenders. Whenever Ruto faces criticism, be it on corruption allegation, economic policies, or governance failures, SUDI is quick to respond. He launches scathing attacks on the opposition, insults critics, and spins narrative to shield Ruto from accountability. But when it comes to standing on the floor of Parliament, where real political battles are fought, he is nowhere to be heard. When it came to the Gen Z-led Maandamano, SUDI was vocal outside Parliament. He condemned the youth, even suggesting there be someone to answer for their actions. But was he in Parliament to table their grievances? Was he there to debate policies affecting them? Silence. People of Kapsaret elected him to represent them. If he doesn't contribute to debates, then what was he elected for? Being a member of Parliament isn't just about attending political rallies and shielding political allies. It's about showing up where it matters most. Parliament isn't a club. It is the heart of decision making. And in a democracy, silence isn't golden. It's a betrayal of the people.